Hello, and welcome to this Sibilec video, where we'll show you how to program a part in numerical mode on our SibTouch numerical controls. This is the part we want to bend, and we're going to execute the bends in the following order. First, let's create a new program by touching the program number in the top left-hand corner. Before entering any bending information, we have to select the tools that will be used. This is simply done by touching the tool icon here. You can then browse through the library of existing tools using these arrows and select the desired one. Let's repeat the procedure for the die. Once the tools are selected, we have another basic parameter to define, and that is what sort of sheet metal we will be bending. A simple touch on the material's name on top of the screen brings us to the More page. Touching the material's name selects the next pre-programmed material with its default thickness and sigma values. Both these values can be manually modified, of course. The More page contains many sequence parameters, and they are explained in details in the user manual. But one of them is necessary to be able to properly configure the bend we are trying to program, and that is the bending length. It is programmed here and will help determine the bending force, the crowning, etc. Coming back to the main page, we will now program the first bend of our part. If you remember the drawing, it was a 35mm long flange with a 90-degree angle. The default angle already shows 90 degrees. We will then just program 35mm for the flange's length. To create the following bend, we just need to touch this arrow. The next steps of our program are made in the very same manner, and we'll quickly breeze through them. The 4 bends of our part are now programmed. To use this program, we can simply come back to the first step and press the Start button. The back gauge moves into position and the button switches to OK when the machine is ready for the bend. The operator can now press the foot pedal to execute the first bend. If we plan to use this part program later in the future, we can also save it under a chosen number like this. Okay, this is the end of our demonstration. We hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.